How do you turn off auto brightness on an iPhone? The auto brightness of your iPhone can regulate brightness according to your environment. To turn off your iPhone's auto brightness, you must navigate to Settings first. How do you turn off auto brightness in an iPhone? Turning off the auto brightness may not be a good idea, but there can be a few instances where it can be a necessity. Step 1. Navigate to Settings. The first step would be to locate the Settings app from your menu or home page and tap on it. Step 2. Tap on Accessibility. Scroll a bit down, and you will find the option Accessibility. Tap on it to make further progress. Step 3. Tap on Display and Text Size. The next option would be to select Display and Text Size from the Accessibility menu. Step 4. Toggle off auto brightness. Lastly, scroll down and toggle off the auto brightness option. How do you manually change brightness? Manually changing brightness is required when you turn off the auto brightness mode. The breakdown of manual adjustment is given below. From Control Center. It is the most flexible and quickest way to change your iPhone's brightness manually. Swipe down or up to get your desired level of brightness. From Settings. You can also use the Settings menu to attempt another technique. Locate and click on the Settings app. Is it good to keep auto brightness on the iPhone? The auto brightness feature controls the brightness levels on your iPhone depending on the lighting levels you are in. Turning off the auto brightness isn't a good idea as you'll have to do things manually then. Manual adjustment. Disabling the auto brightness mode means that every time you'll have to adjust brightness manually. If you had set low brightness, you have to change it again when you go outdoors in sunny weather.